You could number however you want. I just did it that way because I'm gonna remember it that way. You can put that with number 3. See how it's good? It's coming off by itself. It's gonna have a little leak because sometimes you gotta pressure it out with a plier or something. It's coming out by itself. See how it says on spoon right there? It's coming out. That's where the thermostat is at. You see it right there, that's the thermostat. It's gonna throw out a little water. Antifreeze, whatever. Okay. You can feel the drops. I'll put this one as a number 3. They're the same size. Now pull this out. And there goes your thermostat. Make sure everything's cool and clean. Now we need to pull it out. I got a flathead. This is my favorite tool. Especially this flathead with the little black tip. See if I could just see it's having a little leak. And it's off. Okay. This is your thermostat. I believe this is my problem because it just stays open. It does not want to close. I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna, what do you call it? Boil some water over temperature, over 180 degrees Fahrenheit. You gotta compare them now though. Make sure they look alike, which they'll do. And I'm just gonna put it in. I mean, the inside is whatever, you know what I'm saying? It looks like this one is a real Honda one. I'm guessing, I don't know. Leave it in comments. This is the one I bought. This is the new one. I already put the seal in it when I bought this from Audio. Well, I don't want to say no names. From a place. They gave me without the seal, and I had to like come back and get the this little what do you call it, this little seal right here, black seal and stuff like that, the gasket kind of thing, you know. So I'm just gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video because I'm running out of memory, but let's see how it goes.